In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to create and customize a spreadsheet using Canva's easy-to-use design tools. To begin, open the Templates menu. Next, enter a relevant search term in the search bar like Spreadsheet to quickly find the ideal template for your needs. Type your selection in the search box and click on the table title or a specific column header to start customizing your sheet's structure and content. Next, select a cell, such as the title or the first column, to begin entering your own text and personalize your sheet. Click into blank cells or columns to add more data and easily switch between columns or rows for efficient input. Edit different fields, such as entering dates or renaming headers, by selecting the relevant input area. This gives you full control over how your spreadsheet is organized. Now, select empty cells to keep adding information, or create a new sheet for separate sets of data. Customize your sheet by choosing from a range of color options. Selecting different swatches lets you create a visually appealing design that fits your style. Finally, you can customize the spreadsheet by changing its colors and editing the text however you like. You've now learned how to create and personalize a spreadsheet in Canva.